Hi, are you struggling with brain fog, hard to focus, concentrate, insomnia, and feeling exhausted? Then this BodyTalk technique called Cortices, which is a brain balancing technique, is for you. Now, when we are talking about brain, we are talking about two halves of the brain. So left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. And these two centers of the brain, as long as they are working together, communicating well, we are functioning good. The communication between two halves of the brain is through the nervous system as well as through the electromagnetic frequencies, which is the fastest way of communication. The brain is the commander of the whole body. It controls everything. Now, with our everyday stresses of life, our brain can get into the mild state of shock. And when it's in a state of shock, we are not as vibrant, as attentive, as focused, or being able to comprehend and process everything around us. So this technique is about getting your brain out of that state of shock, mild state of shock, so you're functioning at your optimum fun. In BodyTalk, we do treatments through activating the head, heart, and gut brain, which means a gentle tapping on the head to fix it, a gentle tapping on the heart to store it, and the gut brain to assimilate it. Deep breathing is crucial when you're doing these techniques. And it's all about focus and intent. So you're focusing on these two halves of the brain, optimizing the communication and tapping out the head, heart, and gut brain. So let's go ahead and do this. So you will use one of your hand. You start at the base of the head and you're gently tapping on the head, heart, and gut for one full breath. So you can do this twice if you like, tapping on the head, heart, and gut. Then you'll slide your hand to the second hand position. So basically we are covering the whole midline of the head, tapping through the head, heart, and gut. And it's a gentle tapping because we are actually not touching the brain, heart, or gut, but we are working with the electromagnetic frequencies. So you're sliding your hand all the way from the base of the head till the eyebrows, tapping on the three brains, till you end up just above the eyebrows. Now, some parts of the brain you might want to feel like, you may feel like tapping longer, and those could be the centers of the brain with cold spots. So you can intuitively tap longer. And lastly, we come to the temporal lobe. So you'll hold the two sides of the brain and you're tapping on the head, heart, and gut. And this is also for balancing the limbic brain. Now, this technique is amazing for kids. You can do for your children to help them with their focus, concentration, hyperactivity, anxiety, or just before going to bed. This could help with insomnia. Now, I want to set up a 21 days challenge where I would encourage you to start doing this cortices on yourself once or twice a day as you feel comfortable. And before you start your 21 days challenge, I want you to take a note of your physical, mental, emotional health, any aches and pains, how's your quality of sleep, and you rate it on 0 to 10 scale, how each aspect of your life is doing. Then you start doing this cortices techniques for 21 days, once or twice a day. And at the end of 21 days, I want you to take the score of all those parameters again on the scale of 0 to 10 and see how you are doing with it. So are you ready to start your journey? To run a reset and optimize your nervous system, to get into this totally relaxed, heightened focus, concentration place, and optimize your brain power with this simple technique, cortices from BodyTalk system.